this looks interesting. What is this? So you might be wondering now, why do we buy a Tesla Model Y? And here it is, our brand new. Another early morning this week. Last week was taking it to track day because we had to wake up at 5 to get to the track. Good morning, everybody. We're heading to Austin to pick up our brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper launch series. And this is going to be a funny one because you might not be able to guess, or you might be able to guess where we were picking up the Model Y, what location we're picking it up from. So let's get into it. And here it is, our brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper launch series. We just picked it up, and before we get on our road trip, because that's our second video where we're actually doing a road trip from, you guessed it, Austin, Texas to California, Los Angeles, California. If you guys remember, we did the same exact road trip for the Tesla Cybertruck, and it took us like over 27 hours. And so we're about to do that again. And of course, this is our first supercharging stop. But before we do that, to finish off this video of the first delivery of our Model Y Juniper, let's do an inspection, a build quality inspection to make sure everything is a-okay with all the different things. And of course, our initial first review, initial first impressions of our own Model Y Juniper. And you might be wondering what build we got. So we got Quicksilver on the exterior, the white interior with, of course, the white interior, and we got the 20-inch rims right here as well, the Helix rims. We went with the most maximum value version out there because we can't leave any money on the table at all. So let's go ahead and do a quick inspection of it and show you guys what it's like to get a brand new Model Y Juniper. So taking a look at this, I mean, Quicksilver looks phenomenal in person, especially in like this golden hour like this. I can see like there's something right there, but I mean, I can't tell if that's like a dent, or do you guys kind of see that on the camera? It's like right here in this area. But checking all the usual seams, like this area right here looks pretty good. Rims look good, tires look good. Another thing I noticed is that these are like a different tire that I haven't seen before. Hankook Evo OS sound absorption EV tires on it as well. But very interesting to see this. In terms of the build quality, I mean, it seems pretty good. I don't see any issues, no issues at all with like the glass. There was one issue though on the interior. I'll show you guys in just a second, but looking at the sides with like all these different areas, looks good, no issues at all. I mean, checking out this whole area. There actually is a checklist that we can go over as well. Shout out to our friends Tez Bros G for actually putting it together. And maybe that'll be a separate video where we go over each and every single one, each and every single feature of it. So taking a look at the back here, I mean, no issues. We tried opening up this once and it actually failed, but it seems to be working now. And wow, look at that. Look at that rear tail load glow. I mean, that looks phenomenal right there with the rear of that, like in that shot. But taking a look at this area, I mean, that looks pretty interesting, but it seems like it's okay. This looks interesting. What is this? Ooh. Now that seems to be like residue or something, but okay, not too bad at all. But taking a look at back here, seems okay, and nothing in this area. But let's take a look at the back seat. The screen looks good, the seats look good. Yeah, no issues. Glass looks good up here. I mean, you definitely want to check some of the glass because factory glass can be a little bit problematic. But let me show you the one issue on the interior that we found so far. So taking a look at the driver's side, no issues here on like the front side. I mean, they've really done a good job building these Tesla Model Ys very, very well. And even driving it just a little bit was really good. But here it is. So you can see it. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but there is a slight scratch right there on the rear view mirror. It could have happened during delivery, it could have happened whenever, but of course I went ahead and put a service ticket in already because you're supposed to do that within 100 to 200 miles. So I took a picture of it and I uploaded it to the app and scheduled an appointment for like a month from now. But besides that, very clean vehicle for sure. But there it is. This is our brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper. Thank you to everybody that's watched and supported the channel. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this. Of course, we're gonna get tints on it. That's actually happening next week. And we might even throw a wrap on it as well. So let us know what color you think would look good and great on this brand new Tesla Model Y. So you might be wondering now, why did we buy a Tesla Model Y? And it's been a fun journey so far. We've had a Model 3 Performance, and buying that Performance kind of made me realize, like, Performance, so I already kind of knew it was overkill, and I prioritize comfortability over speed and handling. And so the Model Y, especially the Model Y long range, is the perfect vehicle, I think, for a daily driver. I've been wanting to get rid of our Model X for a little bit, and now after driving this for almost 2 days now, it's really given me the impression that this is a better vehicle, more comfortable than the old Model X. Of course, if you want Falcon wing doors and soft close and all those other things, and that's a different story. But it gets me excited because maybe there is a Model S refresh coming out later this year. Can't wait to see that, and that will be leagues better than the current Model X out there. But for now, I'm gonna have fun with this Model Y. I'm gonna enjoy it, do all the different things that I love doing to Tesla vehicles, trying the new product, and then we'll see what comes in store for us in the future. But I figured, why not try the new Model Y and see how much better it is in actual daily use and owning it versus like a quick test drive and anything like that. But let us know what your thoughts are. Please comment down below please comment down below if you have any questions. Hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya. But thanks for watching. Please hit that like if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have any questions on the brand new Tesla Model Y. Now that you've ordered your brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper, it's time to take it to the next level. That's where our partner Jawa comes into play here. Jawa has everything you need, from phone mounts, mobile connectors, center consoles that I highly recommend to fit the new Model Y and every Tesla vehicle out there. And on top of that, you can use our promo code down below in the description to save even more money. And the best part is there's free shipping if you reach over a certain limit. My top 3 accessories that I recommend is a phone mount. It's super crucial, that can charge your phone. A center console is highly recommended as well because a Tesla does not come with it at all. And my newest favorite accessory is the invisible under mount sunglass holder area storage area that also has a camera mount as well. So why wait for Tesla to make these accessories? Get yours now at Jawa, link down below in the description, and save some money and support the channel while you're at it. Thank you to Jawa for partnering with us, and let's get on to the next video.